Namaste, dear parents and my dear children. The only way to achieve impossible is to believe it is possible. As I told you yesterday, I'm here with a message and important information related to the coming days. First of all, I would like to thank you all for these loving comments. These are the comments which I received on my yesterday's video related to summer camps. And as I said in the beginning, that what you think impossible can be easily achieved if you believe that it is possible. Initially, even we were thinking that will it be possible to continue summer camp online? Will it be possible for the children to watch the videos and follow them? Will it be convenient for the parents to continue with academics as well as summer camp skills? But yes, we thought that this impossible let us turn into possible by believing in it that it can be. And I'm so thankful, so grateful to read these comments that not only we, even you all felt that it was an amazing summer camp, it was appreciable and your children made use of it. They learned number of skills. They had beaten the boredom with the help of these skills. And on this platform, I would also like to thank my team of educators, my team of dorm educators, my team of admin staff members who are continuously day and night working not only on academics, on making video lectures, giving you the quality subject material, but also to beat the boredom of summers, to beat this blues of COVID-19. They tried their best to give you skill oriented videos which were very helpful as per even the comment given by the parents. Some of the parents have appreciated cooking without fire, self-help. Some of them are really very much they're appreciating and they want more videos on spoken English. They want, one of the parents had written there that he wants that more and more communication skills, such videos should be shared so that our children are nowhere behind in this society. So believe the parents, believe in this fact that once you are associated with us, we are going to take these children quite high. Our children, one of the girls, I was reading the comments very carefully, and one of our students, she had been studying with us for 4 to 5 years, and she has written that she really enjoyed the summer camp, as well as she's very thankful to the teachers for changing her personality. Such words, such comments, such statements boost our morale, boost our confidence, and make our enthusiasm, it doubles it, it makes it higher than before. So thank you very much. Now I would come to the important points what I said in the beginning. So first of all, as you all know, today we are going to wind up the skill videos as well as teaching. For next 6 days we have given a little free time to the children. Now how this free time is to be utilized? First of all, parents, it's a request to you all, if there is something which is pending with your children, please check the notebooks of your children. Please give some time during these six days, whether in the evening, night, early morning, whenever you get time, please check the written work of your children, and if you feel there is something pending, please cross check it and ask the child to complete the pending work. Along with it, a number of videos of Havan, mantras, physical activities and yoga we have sent. So ask your children to follow those. Let them learn mantras. We also sent the written material of those mantras, especially for the new children. So you can give a printout to your child, because now see it's unlocked, things are unlocked. You can go to the market, get the printout for your child. Let the child read those mantras, recite and follow. As well as whatever we have taught in these summer camps, the recipes, self-help, plus communication skills, some drama, some acting, some art and craft, music, dance, other things they can also develop, especially junior children. They can develop some of their hobbies, some of the skills they can rehearse, they can practice. And to my children, I would say, it's not a request, I would say it's my instruction, help your mothers. You should help your mothers at home. You should help your grandparents. Sit with them. Talk to them. Free doesn't mean that you wake up late in the morning and you sleep very late at night. It doesn't mean this. It means to make very, very constructive use of time. And when you come back on 1st July, you're more energetic, you're more enthusiastic, more creative, and you have yearning to learn more. With that, these 6 days gap we are giving to you all. So children, please follow all these points. And then after this ending today, after ending the summer camp today, we are going to present our closing ceremony. And because it's online, the closing ceremony will be same as the opening ceremony. You must have seen in the opening ceremony, the teachers had presented their points, the teachers had shared their views on the skills. And in the closing ceremony, as we have taught our children, there will be the videos by the children, which children are supposed to submit by today 3 p.m. So those presentation in 2 different groups. Group 1 will be classes 5 to 9 and group 2 will be classes 10 to 12. So there will be 2 groups where closing ceremony will be presented with the help of the videos made by children. So parents, it's my request, please encourage your children. I'm sending message by the afternoon. So 3 p.m. is the time given today. Please encourage your children to make their videos and submit it to the in charges, and enjoy watching your children and the friends of your children, the students of Chaman Vatika, presenting different skills on Facebook page, website, as well as the portal of school. So another very, very, I would say, boosting and energy giving, I should say, kind of energy giving thing was that some of the parents requested that in this presentation of closing ceremony, there should be some contribution by the parents. This was really marvelous. Coming to know that the parents want to present something shows that yes, they watched the video very well, they were with their children, they were encouraging the children, rather they were themselves a part of it. So really very, very thankful from the core of my heart, from my team. I'm very thankful, and we'll have a very different presentation ceremony by the parents. So parents, you are also invited to send your videos, a short 2 minutes videos on any of the skills by tomorrow, that is 25th. And we'll have a separate presentation by the parents of our children, again on Facebook page. You can watch it on website as well as our portal. So this is another thing which has given us a more confidence to do something new. See, when we strive to do something better, I think around us, all the things around us become better. And this is happening with Chaman Vatika Gurukul. Whatever we come up with, you are there around us. So we keep thinking to do something better till we achieve the best. So thank you parents. Now resuming the classes from 1st of July. See, all Gurukuls, the Gurukul Nilokhedi, the Gurukul Jyoti Sir, Chaman Vatika Gurukul, all of us have decided to give 6 days no screen time to the children, some relaxation to the children. Teachers would be still busy. Teachers will be preparing their video lectures. Teachers will be planning for the July and for the coming up coming up part of studies and all. So children, we have decided, all the 3 Gurukuls have decided to give a break, and everyone, all the 3 schools would resume their classes as per the previous schedule from July 1. So July 1, 2020, as per the previous time, that was 9 to 1, through Zoom, through WhatsApp, whatever mode we were using, we will again start the classes. And we are little ahead in the syllabus. We are not running, but still we are trying to do whatever best we can do during this time, so that when children come back to us, we are able to revise well with our children, and then we can conduct midterm examination. We are very hopeful of opening up of schools soon, and we are just waiting for the government's instruction. Rest, we are ready from our side. All precautions, whatever things are required in hostel, whatever measures are to be taken in hostel, every second day the management, staff and the authorities, they sit, they work. We are tying up with the companies, the other things, and we are completely ready. The moment the instructions are given, we will be informing you, and we are ready to open up the school even. The other thing, as you were told, the documents are to be submitted. During these 6 days or 7 days, I would request you, it is the end of June, please go to your previous school, the new admission children, and get your TC, report card and all other things. The old ones also photograph, Aadhaar card. Please update the documents on the portal. And the other thing, evening calls. We will not have evening calls even now, because these 6 days we would like you to relax. So from 1st of July, the evening calls will start. And office is open. I'll be available in the school. I told you, even the teachers would be working. We are working. We are not taking any relaxation. So any help required, any word to be passed through mail or through reception's number, WhatsApp message, you may convey it to us. Whatever way we can help you, we are there for you. Many parents have sent requests for sending books to their places, bags to their places. We have got the mail, and we have already sent many, and we are in process of sending others. So you may contact us through mail or through the reception number. And please keep checking the portal. It's very, very important. Your all information required are there on the portal. As I saw, this video was put on the portal yesterday, and there were so many comments, but still there are many children who maybe did not ask their parents to write something or to share a view or a simple symbol. Your one thumbs up makes us climb the Everest. So parents, you remember, we generally say, until unless a teacher somewhere gives credit to the child or appreciates the child, the children do not want to come up. Same way, when we work something, your appreciation, your suggestions, not always appreciation. If you want to stop criticism, you should stop working. You should not say anything, you should not do anything, you should not work. When you work, there can be advices, there can be suggestions, there can be something, some point to do something better. So you are all very, very much welcome to write to us and to put the comment. Even after this, listening to this message, if you feel like sharing something, please go to the comment box and share it, whether on the portal or on the Facebook page. So with all this, I again say a big, big thanks to you all. Thanks for watching this. Thanks for listening to me. Thanks for appreciating my team. Namaste.